Hi and welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. My name is Tom Fotios and today we're standing in front of one gorgeous 1937 Buick Century Coupe that is just absolutely exceptional. Come on up and let's take a look at this awesome street rod, and when you see it you're going to want to buy it. Come on up. Under the hood, we have one awesome 350 motor hooked up to a 350 trans, a 10-bolt Chevy rear end. This car has power front disc brakes, power steering, and is just one exceptional vehicle. Every nut and bolts have been addressed to this vehicle, including all new glass, proper weather stripping. You will find polished aluminum I Did It steering column, CD system, air conditioning, just one magnificent automobile. We're going to drop the hood, take a look at the beautiful paint, and take you for a little ride. This is such a great car, I don't know where to start with it. Just unbelievable, from its suspension, brakes, rear end, beautiful interior. And when I say it's smooth, it is smooth. Virtually no chrome or stainless anywhere on the car. Just absolutely phenomenal. Beautiful body, awesome paint, awesome body modifications. I mean, I know Fords are the street rod, but I'll tell you what, this little Buick has really caught my eye. Check out this wonderful, detailed sanitary trunk. It looks absolutely phenomenal. From carpet to vinyl, it is just absolutely stunning. Perfect margins on the car everywhere. Gorgeous paint, it's like a plum purple. And it is just stunning, guys. Call Tom today, 248-974-9513 to get this beauty in your driveway. Because at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're dedicated to putting your dream in your driveway. Alright, now for the mystery. Let's check out what the interior looks like. Look at that. Gray leather, beautiful door lips, AM, FM, CD, full gauge package, AC, power steering, I Did It tilt wheel, RPM gauge. What a sweet, sweet ride this is. We search high and low for exceptional vehicles like this. We very rarely do trades. So when you know you're getting a car, it's only in our inventory because we wanted to buy it because it met our criterias. riding this wonderful Buick. I gotta tell you, what a fun, sweet ride this is. I've never had a Buick street rod before, and this thing is just set up to the T. I mean, air conditioning, power steering, disc brakes. I mean, it's just absolutely a fun car to drive. Very nice and easy to drive at that. One finger can turn the steering wheel with no sweat at all. Don't forget, it's always cheaper to buy one done than to build one. And you're looking at pure quality here in this wonderful 37 Century. Call Tom today at 248-974-9513, because at Vanguard Motor Sales, we are dedicated to putting your dream in your driveway. Don't forget to go to VanguardMotorsales.com, and I got a few things I want you to do there. First, become subscribers on YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter. And then, so you can see cars like this before they're offered to the public. And then also, if you plan on buying a classic car, don't buy one whether you're buying from us or not without looking at ClassicCarBuyingSecrets.com and downloading our free report on the 7 deadliest mistakes. And also, if we don't have what you're looking for, click on our auto locator and tell us a little bit about yourself and what you're looking for. We would love to help you put your dream in your driveway, because at Vanguard Motor Sales, that's what we're dedicated in doing. Call Tom today, 7 days a week, 248-974-9513. Thanks for joining us today, and stay tuned for the next pass at Vanguard Motor Sales.